everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I know I've been on and off doing videos, but I am back and I wanted to do a FashionNova try on haul. So today's FashionNova try on haul is going to be on sets. So I wanted to pick out more sets so you guys can see all the different styles they have. So I will link everything down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from FashionNova. I still have my tag because I was trying this one out. But yeah, definitely check that out and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with whatever I have here first. I did try on all these outfits. I went out on them. So I will be posting a video on how they look right here. So this is the first set. This one, it is so sexy and cute. I really like it. The material is amazing as well. This one is a brown set, and I will put the name of it as well because I took the tag off. So yeah, but this is the brown set. There is a short and like a crop top. So these are the shorts. The material is amazing. It hugs your body, as you guys can see here, and it's not like freaking hot that you can't like breathe in it, but it is beautiful, high-waisted, and the top is so cute because it's very open from the back. So this is what the front looks like, and then this is what the back looks like. So you would put your arms here, and then your back goes in here. And oh my god, I feel super freaking sexy wearing this. Like 10 out of 10, honestly. Let me know, you guys, like, let me know what you guys think from 1 to 10 what this outfit is, because I thought it was fire. So I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a pant set. This one is in black, and I'll put everything down below because honestly I took the tags off. So pant set has like a little ruffle in the stomach area. It's a skinny. The material is amazing. And then the top is a beautiful crop top off the shoulder type of shirt. Let me show you guys, because it's like, there you go. So this is like the crop top, and then it has like off the shoulder. You're gonna be able to see it here, and it's beautiful black. The material was amazing. I wore this and I felt super sexy. I didn't wear it with a bra, so, but yeah, you could probably wear it like with the little tape or something, but I did not wear a bra. So this one's cute, you guys. So this one is called, this one I didn't wear it out yet, but I did try it on. It's kind of a little too hot for me to wear it, so I'll put this to the side because I can't find that shirt. This one is a pant set. I can see myself wearing this when it's cold because the material is so warm and cuddly and cozy, and I don't know, dude. Like, the material is so cute. I like it. So this is the pants, and this is the shirt. It's a crop top kind of sweater pant set. This one is a pant set as well. I like it because it has a little cuts in the front of the pants. You guys can see it has like the little cuts right there. It's a legging set. It has cuts as well, like at the bottom, so you guys can see that. It's a little crop top shirt, short sleeve. It has a little cuts at the bottom. So super cute. I really like it. And then I got this one pant set. So cute, flowy pant set in this color is so beautiful. I didn't think I could look good in this color, but dude, like, look at this, how beautiful this color looks on me. So these are the pant set, and then the top are fucking cute, like adorable. This is the back, little sleeves, and then the front. Oh my god, it's inside out. Girl, get your shit together. Alright, so the front, I wore it without a bra. This is the back, super cute. They like that. And then I got another green pant set. The color green, so pretty. Look how beautiful that is. It's pant. The material is so soft. I like it. And then the top, it's a crop top. I don't know what these are called, but this set is called Alexandra Pant Set in the color green. I got it in a size large. A lot of them I got them in a size large. A lot of them did fit, and a lot of them fit loose, so I just gotta check the material. But this is the top. It actually crosses. You have to like kind of like cross it, and then it'll do like, you'll see it here. Super cute. I really like how green looked on me. It was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. So I got that one as well. This one is a brown set. These are the pants. I think I already have this like in a lighter shade, but you can never go wrong with these ones because they're so comfortable. You can wear them to like be home, watch a movie, or go out and watch a movie and stuff, and you'll be so comfortable. So these are the pant set, this one. And then the top is like a long sleeve. The material is so soft and cozy. It's called Weekend Vibes Legging Set. And I like it because the shirt is long, so I can wear like, and then I also got another short set that looks just like that one. This one's marble, orangey and gray. This one looks like shorts. And then the top is a regular top as well, so you can be comfortable. You don't have to show it. The model in the picture had it like a crop type, so she kind of tucked it in. So I'll probably do that too, but I already wore it, and I wore it regularly, and that's how that one looked. A few more that I have to show you guys. I got this set as well in a color pink, like maybe a year ago. My favorite, so comfortable. I got it in the color brown this time. This is the like the not the jacket, but the sweater that goes on top. Really long. You'll see me wearing it here. The brown one was so cute. I was like, I must have it. So it is a pant set. I don't know why I want to say pound. A pant set. It's my accent. Anyways, it's a pant set. This is what the pants look like. So comfortable. And then it has a little thing in the bottom, so like it's tied into your ankles. And then the top is a little crop top. Which way does it go? This way. It's a little crop top. It's so cute. Like, you know? So I got that one. And then I was like so excited about it that I decided to get it in white. I think it's not called white. I think it's called like cream. But these are the pants as well. These ones I actually got them in large. This one I got in a medium. I think the medium fits a lot better than the large. But yeah. So these are the pants for the white one in large. And it's the same thing, it's just the color. This one, it says Living in It 3-piece legging set in the color Ivory. And this is the top as well. Super cute. And then the top is actually right here. So I should have stayed with the medium. This one is a large, so it fits me a little bit big, but it's okay. Still fits good. Okay. And then I did have another set. I just don't know where I put the shorts. But I have the top. You'll see a video here. I feel bad because I don't know. It's probably in the laundry. I don't know where I put it, but this is the top. It crosses, and I got it in orange because I wanted something like orangey. I posted this picture on Instagram, and everybody freaking loved it. Like, it had the most likes. I never expected to get that many likes on a picture, but wearing this gave it like a lot of likes. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. I really like the material. It's comfortable, and I felt really good and sexy when I went out wearing it. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know what your ratings are on every outfit. Let me know if you would wear any of the outfits. Did you like them? What kind of outfits you like wearing? I'm more definitely a girl that likes to wear jeans, you know, but I kind of wanted to expand to trying different outfits to see what I can find. And honestly, if I had to be honest with you guys, my least favorite of trying on is dresses. Like dresses, I can never find the right. I was so excited that I totally forgot to show you guys the outfit that I am wearing. Oh my god, it is so fresh and comfortable. I totally forgot to show you guys, but yeah, this is another outfit, 2-piece that I got. I really love it. Let me know what you guys think. Right size because of my boobs and my butt. Like, even before I had surgery, I always had the issue that I had to get different sizes, like for bottoms and tops on dresses, or the dresses would fit good here, but it would be loose from here, honestly. So yeah, let me know what are your favorite outfits to wear. And yeah, I want to thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.